Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dairy-free tzatziki sauce. Now typically tzatziki sauce is not dairy-free, it's made with Greek yogurt, and since Greek yogurt is dairy, then that means I can't have it. So of course I had to find a way to make my own dairy-free tzatziki sauce. So let's jump right in, it's such an easy recipe. The basis for the tzatziki sauce is the cucumber. Without the cucumber, it's just not tzatziki sauce. And instead of chopping it up finely, what we do is grate it. So I have got a strainer inside a bowl, and then I'm going to take my flat grater here, which I absolutely love, and there'll be a link to it down below. You can get it from Amazon if you don't have one. And I'm going to grate the cucumber. And one of the things that you have to look out for with a tzatziki sauce because of the cucumber is moisture. So I'm going to show you here in a few minutes how to get all the moisture out very, very quickly. I saw a few recipes for tzatziki sauce that says grate the cucumber and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. And I'm like, I'm not that patient, I'm not doing that. So I figured out a way to get 90% of the moisture out. And every time I've made this, I've had no issue with moisture. So I'm going to call that a win. So you're going to use half of a large English cucumber, and you're going to leave the skin on, which sounds counterintuitive, but trust me, it adds flavor, and it makes it easier. You don't have to skin it either. Okay, so I'm almost done here. I'm on the last bits. Okay, here's the trick. Now, cucumber has lots and lots of moisture. So the first thing I'm going to do, and this is why I have the strainer here, you can already see in the bowl how much has come out as I press down. And because there's a very little space, as you can see here, between the strainer and the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this juice and come back. And this is a bit of a process to keep doing this until, and you can see it's soaked up some in the paper towel as well. So I'm just going to keep pressing and pressing. Oh, look at all that. Look at all that's coming out.
Go ahead and press it for me.
Now don't press too hard. You may break your strainer. Okay, we're looking pretty good here, but I'm going to leave it in its strainer, press down on it a little bit more, leave the paper towel in here, and we're going to go ahead and make the sauce, and we'll add that at the end. So to replace the Greek yogurt, I've got 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Good old mayonnaise, the best friend of the dairy-free. And then 3/4 cup of dairy-free sour cream. My favorite right now is Simple Truth plant-based sour cream. 2 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of finely chopped dill, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire. And then, of course, my secret ingredient in all my sauces, a little dash of fish sauce. So I'm going to mix this up really well. I'm going to go in for a taste. See if I need salt and pepper. Now remember, there's no cucumber in here yet. Now that's pretty good without the cucumber. It's even better with the cucumber. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Kosher salt, a little bit of pepper. Mix it up again. Okay, I'm bringing back the cucumber. I think we're pretty drained. I'm fairly confident. Get everything out of there. So let's put the cucumber in. Okay. And mix it in. This is going to really make the tzatziki sauce shine. You have to have the cucumber. Ooh, yummy. Okay, we're going to go in for another taste. And you're going to want to let this sit in the refrigerator at least a couple hours before you serve it. It's delicious now, but it'll be even better then. Oh, that's so good. Okay, now I have to try it with celery, only because why not? I don't think it needs any more salt and pepper. I think it's perfect. So creamy. And the tang from the lemon juice and the white wine vinegar is wonderful. So tzatziki sauce can be used with so many different Greek dishes like lamb kofta, Greek meatballs. You can take some tomato, cucumber, and onion, put some tzatziki sauce on it, and you have a salad. Excuse me while I eat my celery. Any salad, you could use this as a dressing. Wonderful dish. So there you have it, quick and easy, dairy-free tzatziki sauce. Try it yourself, let me know how you like it in the comments below. And please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and check out more gluten-free and dairy-free recipes at gfexplorers.com. And until next time, happy eating. Okay, I'm gonna grab myself a new paper towel and press some more. Don't do that.